Not only are cloves, ginger, and lemon common cooking staples, but they are also superfoods with a plethora of health benefits. Each of these three products has special qualities that can promote different facets of well-being. Every chemical that is present in these ingredients has a unique combination of benefits, ranging from immune stimulating qualities to anti-inflammatory actions. But when they are mixed together, cloves, ginger, and lemon provide a synergistic mixture that can further amplify each of their particular benefits. This video will cover the health benefits of cloves, ginger, and lemon separately, as well as how combining them can enhance their effects. It will also go over the uses of these ingredients in cooking and medicine, offer advice on how to include them in your diet, and finally, show you how utilizing their power can improve your overall health and well-being. An introduction to lemon, ginger, and cloves drink. Prepare to infuse your well-being with the potent combination of cloves, ginger, and lemon. These superfoods provide a host of health advantages that can invigorate your well-being in different ways. Now, let's examine the unique benefit that each of these components offer. Cloves health benefits. Beyond their use as a seasonal spice, cloves have numerous health benefits. Here are some justifications for including these tiny powerhouses into your everyday routine. We have talked about cloves benefits in several videos on this channel. Please check the clove series for more information on clove tea and its benefit to health. Ginger's health benefits. The flavorful root ginger is well known for, as well as its many health advantages. Here's why you should stock up on ginger for wellness. Immune supporting qualities. Because ginger is high in antioxidants, it can help boost immunity, which can help your body fight off infections and maintain health. Benefits against nausea. Ginger can help relieve motion nausea and morning sickness because of its relaxing impact on the stomach. Lemon's health benefit, but before we go to that, let's talk about anti-inflammatory property of ginger quickly. Ginger's anti-inflammatory qualities can help your body stay pain-free and active by reducing muscular soreness and joint pain. So now, talking about the benefits of lemon. Not only do lemons have striking citrus flavor, but they are also packed with a lot of health benefits. So here is why you ought to incorporate some lemon juice into your everyday routine. Lemon is high in vitamin C. Lemons are a great way to get vitamin C, which is necessary for healthy skin, a robust immune system, and general energy. Embrace happier days with a dash of lemon. Alkalizing qualities. Lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body despite their acidic flavor, which helps to balance pH levels and create a more alkaline environment for improved health. Assistance with detoxification. Lemons are well known for their detoxifying qualities, which help the body eliminate pollutants and maintain liver function for a more hygienic and functional system. It's time to give your body a revitalizing cleanse. Remove those toxins from your body by taking some lemon. Guys, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you. The combined effects of cloves, ginger, and lemon enhance capacity of antioxidants. Together, cloves, ginger, and lemon make a potent antioxidant trio. These three components are brimming with substances that can support general health and well-being by assisting the body in battling oxidative stress. Increased immune response. Cloves, ginger, and lemon work well together to strengthen your immune system. When combined, the immune boosting qualities of each of these substances strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. The uses of cloves, ginger, and lemon in cooking and medicine. Recipes using every one of the three ingredients. Cloves, ginger, and lemon have countless culinary applications from tangy marinades to calming teas. These components can be mixed to create a variety of meals and drinks that will not only tempt your palate but also offer a number of health benefits. Conventional medical procedures. Because of their therapeutic qualities, cloves, ginger, and lemon have long been utilized in traditional medicine. These compounds have been used for years to treat a variety of health issues from improving digestion to easing the symptoms of colds. Now, let's look at how to include lemon, ginger, and cloves in our diet. Easy ways to include these ingredients in your food. You can add cloves, ginger, and lemon to your food, or you can just by adding it just to stir fries. You can add it to your stir fries. When you brew your tea, you sprinkle them on roasted vegetables. Also, a diet can be tasty and straightforward. It doesn't have to be um, complicated. So you can try a variety of combinations to discover how you love this food or ingredient that have just been mentioned. So let's talk about the safety measures and the doses. Although cloves, ginger, and lemon have many health benefits, it's also important to use them sparingly and be mindful of any possible drug interactions or pre-existing medical issues. You can make sure you are using these products safely and successfully by speaking with a healthcare professional. Using lemon, ginger, and cloves to their full potential. Including cloves, ginger, and lemon in your diet might have several health advantages in addition to giving your food a flavor boost. You may use these elements combined power to support by learning how they work together and coming up with fun ways to enjoy them. You can use their combined strengths to promote your general health. So go ahead and use this powerful trial to liven up your system. Now, let us sum it up. The combination of cloves, ginger, and lemon provides a safe, all natural method of enhancing your overall health and well being. These nutrients provide everything you need to boost your immune system, facilitate digestion, or just add some taste to your food. You can access a wealth of natural wellness support by simply learning about and applying the advantages of cloves, ginger, and lemon, both separately and together. The next time you grab your fruit basket or spice rack, keep in mind the amazing potential of the powerful combination of cloves, ginger, and lemon, as well as their amazing health promoting benefits. So, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I'm so glad you stuck to the end. Please, before you leave, take a few moments to leave a comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe if you are here to subscribe to the channel, and you can check the previous videos on the channel. Also, don't forget to share the video. Thank you for sticking to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video.